hurting myself. So all you'll need for this DIY is some extra virgin olive oil, some brahmi powder, just a little bit, some black castor oil, then the magic ingredients, some rice. You'll need a measuring cup, of course, your pot. I'll be using that little pot, and of course your dish for when you're finished with your DIY to pour it into. So let's head over to the stove and get started. So I'll be using 1 cup of rice because my hair is on the shorter end. However, if your hair is longer, you definitely want to tweak the recipe, you know, so add some more products pretty much. So guys, you have to wash your rice. Make sure you wash your rice clean before you start this whole process. So I'm going to wash my rice and come back. So guys, now I washed my rice clean and now I'm just going to let it cook for 30 minutes before I continue with the process. If you missed my first rice water video, make sure you check that out. It will be right up in the iCard, so make sure after you watch this video you go check it out. That video goes more in detail as to what rice water is good for, and a lot of you might know what it's already good for, plus when I use rice water on my hair, how it made my hair fall. So that video goes more in depth, so you do want to check it out if you miss it. Anyway, so I have it on high right now, but like as it starts to boil a little, I'm going to turn it down and I'll be back. So olive oil is good to combat dandruff. It works well for treating split ends. It helps to tame frizz, softens the hair, and reduces scalp irritation. So as you can see here, I have some extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. It's one of my all-time faves. It's good to condition your hair. It makes your hair stronger. It seals in moisture. Who doesn't love that? It's good for hot oil treatment, and of course it makes your hair thicker. So the next ingredients I'll be using into my rice water conditioner is brahmi. Brahmi leaves powder has been known for years for hair care. When massaged on the scalp, it helps to strengthen the hair roots, which in turn may help to reduce hair fall. Regular use may help in dandruff problems as well. So everybody loves a nice, strong, healthy hair free from all dandruff, right? So make sure you add yourself some brahmi into your hair care products. So guys, now that my rice water is finished, I'm going to pour it out into the dish that I'm going to finish mixing it up in, and that's how you want it. You don't want it to be like when you cook a nice shelly rice. You want it like we Jamaicans call it putty putty. So the first ingredient I'll be adding is the brahmi, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of brahmi powder. Next, I am going to add like 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Wow. Hurting myself. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of black castor oil. You're feeling something, yeah. So guys, now you're going to mix everything together and pop it into your blender. You cannot control, just in time. So guys, now it's time to transfer the paste to the bowl, and I am going to go into the bathroom and add it to my hair. So that's what the paste looks like. It's thick, creamy, so that's what it looks like, guys. So now I'm going to apply it to my hair. I love to work on well saturated hair, and just one more time what the paste looks like. I like my paste thick, as you can see, and I love the consistency. It's so creamy and it feels nice, and also moisturizing because the oils are in it. So guys, because my hair is not that long, I am not using any sections. I am just grabbing it up and just applying it all over.
You came and you changed all my perspective. Yes, in time you came and I love it. I love it.
So guys, I'm finished applying it to my hair and I still got a good amount left. And of course, I'm going to continue to plaster it all over my hair because I'm not going to let it waste. It has way too much good ingredients, okay? So as soon as I'm finished doing this, I'm going to put on a plastic bag, sit underneath my dryer. I'll leave all the ingredients and the stuff I use in the description box. I'm going to sit under my dryer and like for 30 minutes, then I'm going to come back and wash it out.
It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky.
So guys, I kept it on for 30 minutes, so yeah. I am going to start my wash day. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes, and let me tell you, I can only tell you guys to give it a try. Like my hair, even before I sit under the dryer for 30 minutes, my hair feels so freaking soft, and like my hair was very tangled before before applying this, because I did a twist out and I didn't comb it out. I didn't do anything. Like my fingers are just gliding through, so it's super moisturizing. I can only see the many benefits of this mask. I hope you guys try it out, and as I said, I have been doing this for the past 2 weeks and I'll continue to use it because I honestly love it. It's real good stuff. So if you missed the video on my DIY black soap shampoo, make sure you check it out. You don't want to miss where you can save $1, okay? And then I have a review here on my channel on the Made Like Me entire hair care line. Make sure you check out that review, and after watching that review, it might be something new. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and come back. In my last DIY hair butter, I was asked to show how I apply or how I use my product, and this is how. After a wash day, I typically will put my hair in some big braids and cover it up because it's quarantine time, and just put a turban or scarf over my head, wear it to work.
It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel
So this is what my hair looks like, nothing fancy, and now I'm just going to tie my hair up with a pink scarf. If you missed my video on different ways to style your scarf, I'll leave it up in the iCards. All the necessary videos related to this video will be up in the iCards, so make sure you check them out. I'll also drop them in the description box.
so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky.